Hey friends, if you wish to check digital signatures for a program in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let's say that we have a program here, a setup file, okay? And I need to be sure that this is a genuine setup file. It is not a virus or malware, and it may contain a virus or malware. That's a different thing. But the original file itself is not a fake file. So I'll right click on it. I'll select on show more options. I'll go to properties. I'll go to digital signatures and I have the digital signatures here. When I double click on it, it gives me the name of the creator. Okay. And it also may give me all more information like the signing time, the email ID and everything. So I know that Adobe Inc is a genuine company. Okay. And I can get more information about it. So this tells me that this file is genuine. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.